Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous curly unit from Luvme Hair. This is gorgeous, guys. Like they don't call me curly memes for nothing, child. Like, I'm in love with these curls. They're so beautiful. You will see me while I style this wig. Like, the curls, they just bounce back like nothing ever happened. Like, they just bounce back as if you did not comb them out. You know what I'm saying? I'm impressed with this wig. It is a frontal wig. It is 12 inches, so please do check the description box down below if you are interested in purchasing this wig. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Let's get straight into today's video. So guys, this is the packaging. This is how gorgeous it looks. It is amazing. I'm really impressed. It's written Luvme Hair, affordable luxury wig. Imagine buying hair from Luvme Hair and gifting it to someone this Christmas. Gorgeous. They will definitely be impressed. I love it. Like, when I received this, I was like, what? This is beautiful. So let's just quickly do an unboxing. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna find when you open the box is a little love note. How cute is that? It's written, enjoy your journey from now on, Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. So cute. Then this is the hair. Wig cap. I'm definitely gonna use this for some of my makeup products. So cute. I love the pin. It's written Love Me. You're gonna find a brush, tweezers, hairband for laying your edges. That's a lot. Wow. Bobby pins and a band in case your wig is not snug enough. So yeah. I really love this hair. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Guys, look at the quality. So beautiful. The lace is so soft, by the way. It's really soft. I'm telling you guys, Luvme Hair, they produce real quality, child. I mean, this hair, the only thing that I'm literally gonna do is just cut the lace, lay this wig, and that's it. That's it, guys. So beautiful. So I'm quickly going to install it, and this video is going to be self-explanatory, so just enjoy the video, okay? And please do check the description box for more information, and they've got sale, okay? So check that out. I'm going to install this, and yeah.
look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Thought I met you at the wrong time, then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air.
Guys, honestly, there was no need for me to glue down this wig. It is so snug, like it is snug. It fits my head perfectly. Yeah, I'm impressed, guys. I love the quality. I'm not sure if I love it more when it's wet or when it's dry. Like, this hair is so versatile. I am so impressed with the quality. I love how the curls can just bounce back, you know. Like, I just literally mixed conditioner with water and the curls were literally back to normal. I am impressed. I'm really impressed, guys. So by the way, please do check the description box for more information and for direct links if you're interested in purchasing this wig. You should be interested in purchasing this wig, guys. Like, seriously, Luvme hair company, they sell really good quality. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Until next time, bye guys.